up, nerds? So today I actually am bringing you something a bit more practical other than just my usual spewing of random game stuff. So recently I have been wanting to address my old laptop, and today I have actually done that. So the issues that I was having, it was really slow and it's just kind of generally broken. Can't really do too much about the broken stuff without spending like a lot of money on it. And so but the slow part I actually can address. So what I actually did was I went through and looked at my options for being able to like uninstall programs and like delete certain files and just kind of try to clean it up in general to make it work. But I actually completely forgot about a feature in Windows 10 that you can use to actually do this for, so it will do it for you. And so today I'm going to walk through how to do that, and for all of you hardcore PC people actually who know what you're doing with PCs, this video is not for you. This is for the people who are not very technically inclined and will need like kind of a step-by-step walkthrough and a bit of explaining about like certain options that you get with this feature on Windows 10. So if you're a Windows 10 Pro, just click out this video, don't need to watch anymore. If you're not and your PC is running slow, keep watching. And so with that being said, we are actually going to switch over to my other PC and we'll go from there. So as you can see on my PC in particular, I actually ran this program on Windows already, but I decided that I'm going to run it again and actually record it for you guys so you know A, what I'm talking about, and 2, I wanted to run it again because even though I went through and I wiped all the files and all that good stuff, it is still showing that out of the 600 some gigs, I only have 200 gigs of storage left. So there's like about 400 gigs of stuff that is unaccounted for, which is weird for a system that was supposed to wipe everything. And so with that in mind, I am actually going to go through the steps and show you guys what needs to be done and what menus you need to go through to be able to help speed up your computer and clean it up a little bit. So starting from just your home screen on Windows 10, you go to the little Windows button here, go up to the gear for settings, and then from there you go to update and security, and then you will go to recovery. So this is where it all starts, and then from there you do reset this PC. And again, if you take a look, it even says itself, if the PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So you click on get started, and then from there it will also give you some additional options. So these two options, keep my files, and as it says, remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files, versus remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So the first time I went through and did this, I did keep all of my files. I don't have the same amount of storage that I was thinking, and so I'm thinking my personal files are taking up a lot of that storage, and so I am actually going to do remove everything. And then even from there are two options for this. There's one option to just remove your files, which, as it even says, it's quicker, but it's less secure. You'll want to use this option if you just kind of want to restart or reset everything for your computer and just kind of start completely over. And then this option is to remove files and clean the drive. So if you're going to sell your PC, your laptop, whatever, you're going to want to do this option. Now, just like I have a security background, that's what I went to college for. To make sure that people don't steal your information, my best recommendation is to just take out the hard drive and smash it. Now, I can understand you might not want to do that for whatever reason, so if you are going to sell it, at the very least you should run this option right here. But for this demonstration purposes, I am just going to do this one, and it's just going to remove all of my files. Okay, and then and then you just click reset. So at this point it'll say resetting PC and all of that good stuff, and I'm actually going to cancel it because I want to save this video. So And so it's going to go through a bit of a process. That initial window where it was loading, it will take a couple minutes to actually go on, and then it will start to go through the process, and it'll restart, and then this whole process will take a while because it is wiping all the files, and it is actually reinstalling Windows 10 on there for you. So with that in mind, that's the options that you have for that. And now we're going to jump back. Alright, so that was just a quick walkthrough on how to speed up your old PC and a couple different options that you have as well. So if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, feel free to hit me up in the comment section below. I'll be trying to answer any questions as best I can. And if you like this video, remember to hit that like button. And also, if you really liked it and like seeing my face, remember to hit that subscribe button, and also to remember to ring that little bell so you know when I post new videos and stream and all that good stuff as well. Feel free to follow me on social media platforms. I am on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So feel free to hit like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff on all those platforms as well. And with all that being said, this is 3G Geek signing off.